Hey, what's up you guys? Today's been the weirdest day for weather. Today it started out in the morning like just fine. I think it's, maybe some clouds, that's about it. Then it just downpours. Literally. And it just downpours out of nowhere. And then it switches over to sunny. Bright, sunny out, and it's blinding light. But now it's starting to darken and spit out. This happened within like few hours. That's it. That's how quickly it changed. That's how fast weather changes. I know that. You guys know that. But in the end, it just amazes me. Why did I have to choose to walk down this hill to do a little clip down at the bottom? It's tiring. It's extremely tiring, you guys. There are things I do for you. Time to chase some seagulls. That was fun, but I feel bad for the seagulls. On second thought, I consider it payback. Check that out. That is very high up. Very high up. Yeah. It's been a long day at one of my jobs. Heading home. It's late. Walking over a bridge. That is very high up. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow because I'm gonna be at college. It's gonna be more entertaining, more stuff to do, more of you guys, more stuff to watch. So yeah, see you tomorrow and have a nice night.